Alright, so getting ready to start doing some detail work on the Mosquito. Today I had a chance to pick up my birthday present. It'll be in addition to my Vietnam collection. And then there's this guy. But this is a new edition right here. The Cobra 135th scale, 132nd scale. Alright, looks like a very interesting project. Should be able to do similar upgrades, battery motors, and LEDs. At least that's what I'm planning. Alright. So anyway, just looking at our full workbench and a new addition to my Vietnam helicopter collection. Alright, man. Okay, thanks.